Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send TRX from Gemini to Bitmart in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know that transferring assets between exchanges is a key skill, and TRX, the native token of the Tron blockchain, is no exception. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and Bitmart, and that you have some TRX in your Gemini wallet. Start by logging into your Gemini account securely. Once you're in, head over to the Assets, or Wallet, section and find your TRX balance. Next, select TRX and look for the Withdrawal option. This is usually under a Withdraw or Send button. Before you proceed, you'll need the TRX wallet address from Bitmart. Log into your Bitmart account, go to your wallet, and copy the TRX deposit address. Make sure it's for the Tron network, as using the wrong one could send your funds into the void. Now, back on Gemini, paste the Bitmart address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of TRX you want to send, but don't forget to account for any network fees. Gemini might show you an estimated fee up front, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, hit confirm, and you'll likely need to verify this through email or two-factor authentication for security. After you submit, the transaction will be processed on the Tron blockchain. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. While you wait, keep your transaction ID handy so you can track it if needed. Once it's done, hop back to Bitmart and check your wallet. Your TRX should appear shortly. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred TRX from Gemini to Bitmart. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so always verify details twice. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to practice. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next video.